take that back. Abigail, I'm going to start with you. We're just going to talk, go around the bar, whatever. You guys do your thing. Act normal. Act normal while I do this.
Okay, shoot.
All right. So, talk about making the best of a bad situation. We are in downtown Manhattan. The power is out all over the block, but you know what? People have come to Lyon to enjoy themselves and to kind of get away a little bit, relax. Can't go in your apartment because the power's out. Why not come here? Now, I want to bring in Abigail for a second. Abigail's the general manager of Lyon. So, Abigail, tell me about the crowds.
Oh my God, they're amazing. They're hungry. They're tired.
Well, how crowded has it been so far today?
We've been packed all day since about 8:45 this morning.
Okay. Now I see the food, I see the drinks, I see everything else. There's no power. What are you serving?
Scrambled eggs, omelets and cheese, toast, ham and cheese sandwiches, everything that nobody has at home. That is safe to serve.
So wait, let me talk to some of the folks around the bar. First of all, this right here, this is the woo guy. You're doing this all day. That's him. So why'd you come down?
I was walking around and saw there was someplace open to hang out, and ended up meeting the most wonderful people in the world. I met Abigail, and Natasha, and Marvin, and John, and Andrea, and James. And it's nice to have some place to go. And Abigail, you won my heart. I will be here forever. Thank you also for coming down here to ask us.
See how thankful he is? It's a love fest. I'll tell you what, they clap after you say everything down here, which is why you gotta love this place so much. So why'd you come here?
I do. I was looking for a cup of coffee. And I saw a couple down the street and said, "You go down by the tree over there, there's someone coffee." Then I came in and made some new friends.
Nice.
And yeah, we're going to get together dinner.
Yeah!
There's supper club, baby.
We're planning our Sunday supper. You know, you guys
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Wait, so you guys didn't know each other at all? Nobody knew each other at all?
Complete strangers.
Nobody that's here is here with anything. We all just wandered in.
My best friend.
Really? I don't believe it. Let me talk to somebody down on this side. So Adam, here's the deal. You walk in, you get up last night, maybe you get up this morning, the power's out. What did you think? How'd you get here?
Well, I went to go check out the office, check out the neighborhood, see what's going on. Power's down everywhere, nowhere to get anything to eat or drink. Walk by here, power's off, but see everybody inside, and we'll go. They're serving, I meet a whole bunch of wonderful people, and you know what's going on. It's great to be someplace open. Get a bite to eat, drink, and have a good time, make the best of a bad situation.
Wow. Now, you know what? Now, guys, I got to ask you. I lived in New York for about 12 years. Let me ask you. And I remember blackout, everything else, and you couldn't find a place that was open. I mean, the lights were out. You couldn't find anything. Is that what makes this so unique? The fact that even though a lot of businesses are closed, we don't see
And then I walk in over here, I look in the window, and everyone's like getting bombed. Friends for life.
Natasha!
This is clearly the happiest restaurant / bar / coffee shop that you'll find, but you know what? It underscores what's going on downtown in New York. People aren't letting the power outage get them down. They're doing what they can to get together. They're meeting new people. They're drinking soda. All right. That's it.